This is Tulsa and Rivers litter. They're F1B Labradoodles. And they were born on the 4th of July. They're 6 weeks old today. Everybody's pretty tired from their bath and pictures. Hi, baby. This is the brown ribbon female. And this is a turquoise female. Hi, baby. And there's the yellow ribbon female. You have your ribbon stuck up on your mouth. And there's purple. Hi, baby. Who's giving me kisses over here? And this is the green ribbon. Hi, girl. And here's the red ribbon male. Oh, you have a piece of paper stuck on your nose. And this brown again. Yep. Who's this? There's the green. Don't bite. There's the pink male. And there's the white. That's the white girl. Hi, baby. Right here you are. Hi. I can't see you. Come over here. There you go. Looky. What are you doing back there, Purple? Have you had it? There's turquoise again. And there's yellow again. And here we have lime green. Look at me. Look up. Everybody's gathering around. I can't see you. Here you are. And here's blue. There you go, Rocket. There you go. Hi, puppy. Look at the brown ribbon. She's had it. Have you had it? Somebody's biting on her tail and her foot. Who's this? Oh, this is pink. That's pink ribbon male. And here's the orange ribbon male. That's Crackle.